Okay, this one, they want us to find the perimeter and the area of the figure at the right. Okay, so I'm going to bring this over because all we really need is the figure, right? So I'll move it as far as I can. Okay, so here we go. So the perimeter, the key point is that we're looking for this spot right here, this length right there. But we notice that we have a right triangle, right? We have a right triangle, and we're looking for the hypotenuse. So from here to here is 6, but in this rectangle it's 10. So this is the difference, which is 4. And this side is 8. And from here to here is 5 of that 8, so there's 3 remaining. So we have 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 9 plus 16 equals c squared. 25 equals c squared. So c equals 5, right? The square root of 25. So this is 5, right? So now for the perimeter, we need to add up all the sides. So I'm going to start here, right here, and I'm going to go clockwise. So I get 6 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 8 is the perimeter. Perimeter equals. So the perimeter is 16, 26, 34 meters, right? We added up all the sides of that. Next, we want the area. So 2 ways to do it. I think the easiest way is to take the area of the whole rectangle and then subtract the area of that little triangle. So let me erase some of this, right? Let me erase some of this, right? Okay. Because that was the work to find what we needed. So what we're going to do is, let's get rid of all this. We don't need it anymore. What we're going to do is, we don't even need that anymore. Okay. I'm going to find the area of this entire rectangle. So this big rectangle, right? This whole rectangle that goes around the side, right? This whole thing here, right? Okay, and this I erased. This was 10, right? Okay. So the rectangle's area of rectangle equals length times width. So the area of the rectangle is 10 by 8. 10 times 8. The area of the rectangle is 80, right? Meters squared. The area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. And by triangle, I'm talking about this triangle, right? Right here, this triangle. So the area of that is 1/2 base height. So area of the triangle is 1/2 4 times 3, right? Base times height. So the area of the triangle is 2 times 3 is 6 meters squared. So the area of that figure, the area of the figure in the drawing, equals the area of the triangle minus the area of the rectangle minus the area of the triangle, which comes out to 80 minus 6, and that gives us the area equals 74 meters squared. Okay, rectangle minus the missing triangle piece there is probably the quickest way.